Whether for promotions, decor, or business signage, custom window decals are effective marketing assets for any business or industry. And installing them is easy. Before you begin, we recommend that you install your decal in temperatures between 40 and 90 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal adhesion. You also might want to consider hiring a professional installer if your decal is larger than 18 by 24, or if it has a complex design, overlap, or is tiled. Now, let's install. Here's what you'll need: a tape measure or measuring tool, a glass or multi-surface cleaner, a lint-free cloth, masking tape or painter's tape, a hand applicator or credit card, a rubber roller, this one's optional, and a safety pin. Step 1. Prep your surface. Use a multi-purpose cleaner to thoroughly clean the window, ensuring it's free of dirt, dust, grease, or other debris that may affect the adhesion process. We recommend doing a final wipe down with water and a lint-free cloth. Step 2. Apply your decal. Find the center of your decal on the window. Once you do, mark where the top of your decal will be with tape. Peel back the liner from your decal and set the decal back to your tape marks. With the top edge of the decal in place, use a hand applicator or credit card to smooth the top edge down and out from the center. We recommend placing a piece of masking or painter's tape along the edge of your applicator to minimize the risk of scratching the decal. Use a rubber roller, if you have one, to press out any air bubbles. This will create a better seal to the surface. If air bubbles persist, use a pin and poke a hole in any that stand out to release the air. If there are too many bubbles, you may have to peel back your decal and do the smoothing process again. Wipe away any water residue from the smoothing process. That's it. Since window decals have adhesive on the back, adhesion will take place immediately. All that's left is for you to stand back and admire your work.